Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to send a private story on Snapchat. So let's start. First open the Snapchat app. Now click a snap. Now tap on the blue button on bottom right corner. Then tap on private story on top right corner. Now you have to enter a recipient. Now select from your contacts. And you cannot send this to yourself. Now select a recipient and tap on create story. You can also name your story. When you are done, tap save. And that's how you can send private story on Snapchat. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.